Manggapangalan sa resibo ng OVP na katunog. NGMGA pangalan ng mga senador. Agosto 11, 2026. Sa ika-14 na araw ng paglilitis sa pagpapatalsik kay VP Sara Duterte. Agosto 11, 2026. Nagpatotoo si Auditor Eileen Del Campo ng COA tungkol sa mga acknowledgement, receipts, AR na ipinasa ng OVP bilang katibayan ng paggamit ng pondo ng lihim, confidential funds. Noong 2023. Magapangalan na katunog sa pagkain, J. Camote, P200,000, Miggy Mango, P50,000, Matthew Kiso, P250,000, Beverly Claire Pampano, halaga hindi nabanggit, Ralph Josh Bacon, Pia Piato Slim, Xiaome Ocho at iba pa, MG apelyido na katunog sa mga senador hukom. Denise Tanya Escudero, Penard Wendy Taust. Katunog ng apelyido ni Senator Francis Chiz, Escudero, Pangulo ng Paglilitis. Christine Applegate Estrada, 50,000. Katunog ng apelyido ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada. May iba pang lumabas na katunog sa Hontiveros Lapid at iba pa, imahalagang linawin. Hindi ito ang mga tunay na tao. Ito ay mga pangalang nakasulat lamang sa mga resibo na ipinasa ng OVP. Walang katibayan na sila talagang tumanggap ng pera at walang patunay na nagkaroon ng tunay na operasyon o resulta ang mga pagbabayad na ito. Ayon kay Auditor Del Campo, mas walang ipinakitang katibayan na nagtagumpay ang mga operasyon, kulang-kulang ang mga dokumento, mga resibo lamang, walang opisyal na resibo o katibayan ng pagbili ng mga gamit, buwad. Lumabas sa paglilitis na ang mga resibo ng OVP ay may mga pangalang katunog sa pagkain, kamote, mango, keso, at katunog sa mga apelyido ng mga senador, Escudero, Estrada at TBP. Walang patunay na tunay ang mga pangalang ito o nagkaroon ng tunay na nagawa ang pondo.
Dito po sa isang sa satellite office po nila sa Bacolod, ang nakalagay po rito na activity nila is provided rice box to Morsha fire victims.
Sandali. Rice box to
Morsha
fire victims. Baka confidential ang rice victims na yan, Madam Witness.
Tapos tupad beneficiaries at BCNHS.
Can you speak to the mic, please?
Tupad beneficiaries at BCNHS Gym, Dole, Tupad payout May 1, 2023, 198 recipients, daily wage for 50, a total of 841 cash disbursed 10 days.
Mga tupad beneficiaries, linista dyan, kung magkano.
Ito po yung mga naging activity po dun sa
So,
Bacolod
rice
Satellite.
giving, tupad activities, ano pa?
Medical mission po.
Medical mission,
Release of rice boxes to beneficiaries in Sebastian Antique. Visited MAIPP hospitals and provided GLs at billing accounting offices to get a copy of SOA. Yun po.
With
visit
the
ng
indulgence of
hospital.
counsel, Ms. Eileen, these are the activities na sinasabi nilang kinover ng intelligence operations.
Ito po yung inattach nila as proof of success of the information
Ng
gathering.
activities nga.
Opo.
Not that ginamit yung confidential fund sa pagbigay ng bigas, not that ginamit yung confidential fund sa pagbigay ng tupad, not that ginamit yung confidential fund sa MAIP.
Opo. Bale po, ito yung naging activities ng Vice President po. Pero
Na-
hindi po yung confidential fund yung ginamit dito.
Na naging ligtas siya, ika nga.
Opo,
base sa
parang
protective
conducted
activities.
surveillance activities po sa mga programang ito.
Okay. You may proceed, counsel.
Again, para sa record, itong mga activities daw, yung mga rice giving, yung mga tupad na yan, dun siya nag-conduct ng surveillance activities. Yung bang sinasabi mo, Madam Witness?
Ang nakalagay po kasi dun sa certification, nag-conduct siya ng confidential activity, surveillance activities before parang ang pagkakaintindi ko po dito is yung nag-conduct sila ng surveillance activities before the engagement of the Vice President po. Parang
At sinabi mo na kasama to sa notice of disallowance.
Opo, kasi hindi napapakita ng mga dokumentong ito kasama yung certification na there was success in the information gathering and surveillance activities. Kasi yung statement lang po is there were no untoward incidents. Hinahanap ko po kung ano yung
Pag sinabing, Madam Witness, pag sinabing there were no untoward incidences, hindi ba evidence of success yun? Walang yung mga komunista, yung mga terorista, imbis na nag-away-away, tumanggap na lang ng rice pack, tumanggap na lang ng tupad. Hindi ba success yun? Hindi sila nag-away-away?
ang hinahanap ko po kasi dito, sample po doon sa isang activity is nakalagay probable threat, CTG, parang ganun, NPA po. Ang hinahanap po kasi is payment of rewards. Meron bang doon sa probable threat na yun, may nahuli ba? Parang ganun po. Yun ang
Okay.
magwa-warrant ng payment of rewards po.
At wala kang ganon
Yun po ang
na
hindi
nakita
hindi
sa
po
evaluation mo, Madam Witness.
Opo.
Going now to the third quarter of 2023, covering the period July 14 to September 30, 2023. Anong participation mo, if any, Madam Witness, dito sa pag-audit ng liquidation documents na sinubmit ng Office of the Vice President?
Ako po ang nag-evaluate ng response nila sa audit observation for the third quarter po ng 2023.
At Madam Witness, ano ang nangyari, if any?
Nung may issue po yung audit observation memorandum noong August 8, 2024, nag-submit po ang OBP ng response nila noong August 27, 2024.
If shown to you, the AOM, yung Audit Observation Memorandum, this is a stipulated document, Your Honor. Stipulated with the former witness, Attorney Wamil. With you. What is the relation of this AOM dated August 8, 2024, marked as
Counsel for the
Exhibit
assisting counsels may approach.
P-1-12-I for the prosecution and stipulated upon in the last hearing with defense counsel.
As respondents exhibit 1-106 OVP.
Correct, Your Honor.
This is the same copy po of the AOM na na-issue namin sa OBP.
Now, showing to you, and it's being flashed on the screen as it's being shown to you. Sa last page, pakitingin sa last page, merong signature dyan over the name Nilda Plaras. Whose signature is this?
Si Assistant Commissioner Nilda Plaras po ang officer in charge ng ICFAO nung ma-issue po ang dokumento na ito.
Anong ibig sabihin na pumirma ang isang Nilda Plaras na Commissioner Associate? Assistant Commissioner ng COA ICFAO.
Ito po ay na-approve, na-review at na-approve niya and is ready for release na po.
Okay. Ano, if at all, ang mga findings or issues na rinaise mo na in-approve naman ng Assistant Commissioner, ano yung mga issues na nakalagay dyan sa AOM or Audit Observation Memorandum, Madam Witness?
Ang mga issues po dito sa audit observation memorandum na ito is first, the submitted liquidation documents po, wala pong naka-attach na documentary evidence of payments.
Your Honor, we request permission to flash this on the screen.
Counsel may do some.
Yung pangalawa naman po, yung payment of rewards na nagkakahalaga ng 35 million were not supported with documents evidencing success. Pangatlo po, yung physical and financial plan, hindi po nakaspecify yung specific confidential activities. At yung pang-apat po, yung box E ng disbursement voucher, kung saan makikita yung receipt of payment ng SDO ng cash advance ay hindi po napirmahan.
Bakit itong apat na findings na pinakita natin ngayon, bakit hindi compliant ito at linagay ninyo sa notice sa AOM?
Yung sa una po, under the joint circular po, dapat po ang disbursement for confidential fund should be supported with documents evidencing payments po.
At
Hindi po ito naisubmit sa amin,
Okay,
kaya po hiningi namin sa AOM.
yung pangalawang finding na sinabi mo,
Yung pangalawa naman po, yung payment of rewards under the joint circular, under item 4.8.5.b, it should be supported with documents evidencing success. Pero dun sa initial submission po nila, walang naka-attach na documents evidencing success to support the payment of rewards.
at yung pangatlong finding, bakit nasa AOM ninyo ito?
Kasi po yung sa physical and financial plan po nila, hindi naka-specify kung ano yung confidential activities na paggagamitan na magiging basis po ng disbursement ng confidential fund.
At Madam Witness, lastly, yung findings mo, yung pang-apat, bakit sinasabi nyo bakit sinama to sa Audit Observation Memorandum?
Yung box E po kasi ng disbursement voucher, kung saan pumipirma yung SDO pag na-receive niya yung cheque is wala pong pirma yung Special Disbursing Officer.
Okay. After you issued this AOM, anong ginawa, if any, ng Office of the Vice President?
After nilang ma-receive itong Audit Observation Memorandum, nag-submit po sila ng response noong August 27, 2024.
And if shown to you, pag pinakita sa iyo itong response dated August 27, 2024, would you be able to identify the same?
Yes po.
Your Honor, please, witness is looking at Exhibit P-1-12-J. Again, despite this being the response of the Vice President herself, Counsel for the Defense did not stipulate on this document.
But they marked it as Exhibit 1-116 OVPN series, correct, Counsel?
Yes,
Correct, Your Honor.
Proceed, Counsel.
Who signed this response, if you know?
Si Attorney Zuleika T. Lopez at si Mr. Limuel G. Ortonio po.
Again, Madam Witness, you are familiar with the signatures for the same reason you stated?
Yes po. Kasama po ito dun sa specimen signatures na naka-attach po sa liquidation documents.
Dito sa response ng Office of the Vice President, meron bang mga dokumento na sinama dito sa response na to?
Yes po.
Ano-ano itong mga documents?
Nag-submit po sila ng acknowledgement receipts as documents evidencing payments. Tapos, to support po the payment of rewards, nag-submit sila ng certification ni Colonel Raymond Dante Pila Chica together with the Protective Intelligence Operations Report. At yung panghuli pong attachment ay yung warrant register.
Okay. By agreement and upon direction of the presiding officer, we will be marking instead a tabulation of these acknowledgement receipts for the period July 14 to September 30, 2023, representing the third quarter alleged liquidation expenses of the Office of the Vice President. Without prejudice to the right to our opportunity to present them at the appropriate time, separately to the appropriate witnesses in the future, Your Honor.
Duly noted.
Madam Witness, if you are shown a acknowledgement receipts, would you be able to identify them?
Yes po.
We will not show them now, but did you prepare, if at all, a tabulation or summary of these acknowledgement receipts for the third quarter?
Yes po. Meron po akong tabulation.
Would you please show them to us? We have copies, Your Honor, of these tabulations or summaries. And for the record, we're giving the Honorable Presiding Officer and Counsel for the respondent copy of the summaries. Madam Witness, these summaries that you prepared, tell us the process involved. Ano-anong ginawa mo? Paano ka nakarating sa mga tabulation o summary na yan?
Nung ma-receive ko po yung documents na sinubmit kasama po ng response, in-encode ko po yung mga acknowledgement receipts na naglalaman po ng disbursement nila by date, activity, and the amount po.
And we have selected a few of these acknowledgement receipts. If shown to you, please identify the same. P-1 being flashed on the screen. Pakibasa nga ng mga pangalan dito.
Acknowledgement receipt. This is to acknowledge receipt of the amount of 130,000 pesos for the purchase of information received by name Beverly Claire Pampano, date September 9, 2023.
This is P-1-8-2051 in the name of Pampano. P-1-8-2107. Quezon naman ito. Quezon. Please read.
Acknowledgement.
Cheese. In English, cheese. Matthew N. Queso, 7-15-23. Magkano to, Madam Witness?
250,000 po at na-receive ni Matthew N. Queso noong July 15, 2023.
Ginamit for payment of supplies.
Opo.
Susunod, Nova Santos, 50,000 pesos, P-1-8-2147. Payment for the purchase of supplies. At another one, P-1-8-2195 sa isang Sala Kasim, 8/11/2023 for 180,000 pesos. Itong payment of supplies na pinakita natin, ito ba ay allowable expense ng confidential funds?
Yes po, under 4.8.4 of the joint circular po.
Purchase of supplies? Is this compliant with the joint circular?
Yun po, yung sa purchase of supplies, based on the acknowledgement receipt po na ito, hindi ko ma-ascertain na talagang pinambili siya ng supplies, kaya humingi po ako ng additional documentation.
So, sa nilagay sa acknowledgement receipt, purchase of supplies, hindi naman in-explain saan binili yung supply.
Wala po, ito lang pong acknowledgement receipt ang sinabi sa
Saan ginamit yung supply? Wala din.
Nakalagay lang po dito na for confidential operations.
Okay, lahat ng sinabi, no? At yung mga sinasabi ditong payment of supplies pa, kagaya nitong, okay, P-1-8-1933, Renan Piatos, purchase of information naman to. P-1-8-2258, kay Xiaomi. Xiaomi? Xiaomi. 8. 100,000 pesos. Purchase of supplies. Another one, P-1-18-2092. Flash on the screen. Sa isang J. Kamote. 200,000. Payment of purchase of supplies. 8/11/2023. At itong mangga, gumawa ataw ng fruit salad ito. May kamote, may mangga, may keso. P-1-8-2262, Migi Mango. For 50,000 pesos. Ano ang masasabi mo dito, Madam Witness?
Yung mga acknowledgement receipts po na purchase of supplies and purchase of supplies, hiningan ko po ng additional documentation to ascertain po na ipinambili po talaga ito ng supplies.
We will finish this. Kokoy Villamin. Kokoy Villamin. P-1-18-2064, 50,000 pesos. Bumili daw siya ng information. Last 4 in this list, P-1-8-2635 for Contis. Connor Adrian, 9/20/2023 for 50,000. Reward payment, P-18-2178, Hanilet Camille C. 8/3/2023, 350,000 pesos. P-1-18, 2665, Christine Applegate Estrada. 50,000 pesos for reward payment. And last but not the least, P-1-18, 2010, isang Denise Tanya Escudero. August 25, 2023. Bumili ng information itong Escudero for 120,000 pesos. Madam Witness, may Queso, may Escudero, may Hanilet, may Estrada. Anong observation mo dito sa mga selected ARs na pinakita sa iyo?
Yung sa mga payment of rewards po, hindi po siya supported ng documents evidencing success. And yun sa purchase of supplies po, hiningan ko po ng additional documentation to ascertain na binayad po talaga ito para sa supplies na ginamit sa confidential operations.
Your Honor, please, we just have 3 certifications for the Office of the Vice President, and then we will go to the DepEd, but it's now 12 o'clock, and all with the names Apple, Queso, Manga, and etc. I think it is time for us to have lunch, Your Honor. With the permission of this honorable court.
Of course, Counsel.
Request for
If
continuance.
you think
Your
it is
Honor.
a good time to pause so that your direct examination may not be cut at an inappropriate time, Chair will accede to that.